Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to finally try the super trending Aurora nails. So this nail trend I think started in the Asian countries, specifically in Korea. So I really love watching Korean dramas, and every time I watch series, I see some of their artists wear these Aurora nails. So I ordered this like ice cellophane or the foil from Shein. I'll be putting it down in the description box, and I think it is perfect for this nail trend. So I got it in different sizes and shape, but I'll be using the square ones in the medium length, and I'll be also using builder gel and some jelly gel polish to kind of achieve that aurora effect. So I actually tried different procedures and steps, but I chose to do this one on the far left. So I think that one is the closest to the Aurora trend, and I actually watched a video from Titana Burgery. I've seen her video and her method, but I am not going to do the exact same thing. So I changed a little bit of her procedure. So I'll be showing it to you later. But I just want to show you these two trials that I did. The other one is like just using a chrome powder, Aurora chrome powder. This one is that I use the jelly gel polish on top of it, but this one I use it the other way around. Before I start, let me just open this foil, Aurora foil. Again, I got this from Shein, and it is really cheap, about $1 or $1.50. I'm not actually sure how much, but that was the price range, and I'll be putting again the link in the description box. But what I love about this one is that you don't have to like cut. It is already pre-shaped. I mean, you still have to cut if you have to trim it, but I love that it is already pre-cut and it is easier to choose your size. So the only challenge that I'm seeing with doing Aurora nails is that for you to able to apply this foil sheet on your nails flat, I will try to kind of curve this later, but first let me just choose all the sizes. So I am also just going to trim it a little bit. And then after that, I am just going to get some manicure stick and then try to roll it in this manicure stick. And then I'll be using a crimper. I'm not sure how to use this one, but this one is like a pincher tool. And I am just going to do that and then use a blow dryer to kind of heat the foil. And after doing that, I am now going to start with the application. But first, let me apply gel base. So I'm going to apply gel base first and then cure it in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And after curing, I am now going to apply this jelly gel from Royal House of Beauty. So this is a color blue gel polish, and I love this because it is transparent or jelly like. So I'm going to use this as my base. So I'm just going to apply one layer and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So you really don't have to like apply a thick layer. You just want it to have like a tint of blue. And then after that, I am going to apply the builder gel. So since it is still a little bit tacky, I am going to apply the builder gel. I'll be using this one from Triple D. This is their clear builder gel in a bottle. So first, let me just cut some slits in the side. So this is going to help me like apply the foil sheet flat, hopefully. But yeah, I'm just going to apply that and then apply a layer of builder gel. So it is actually easier to apply a layer for first of builder gel before you apply the foil so that it will stick, and then make sure to press it to your nail so that it will lay flat and then it is not sticking out. So I'm just going to do this, and then I am going to cure it in the lamp, and while I am curing, I will try to press it down so that it will stick while curing. So after I did that, this is how it looks like. So since I still have like sticking parts here, I am going to apply another layer of the clear builder gel. So I am going to fully cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then after doing that, I am going to wipe the tacky layer because I'll be doing some minimal filing later. So far, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on my other nails and let you guys watch, and I will be back. So far, this is how it looks like. So I am just going to do the rest of my nails off cam, and this is after applying it to all of my nails. So basically, I just did the same process, and this is how it turned out. And after that, I am just going to wipe off all the tacky layer with some alcohol and then do some minimal filing and shaping. So when doing Aurora nails, you really have to expect it to be a little bit bulky, but so far I love how this turned out. So I am just going to lightly file the surface of my nail, but not too much because I don't want to file that film or the Aurora film that I encapsulated a while ago. So I will focus the filing on the tips and the sides of my nails. And I also did a minimal buffing to remove those scratches from the nail filing. So this is after I did that. So now I am going to apply top coat. And after that, I am going to fully cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So here is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I think this mani turned out super cool. I really love the effect. So let me know also your thoughts in the comment box below. And yeah, I'll be putting all the products in the description box so you can also check them out. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you again on my next videos. Bye!